think it's gonna be a long, long time.
And there's the Via train back there.
Alright, dude.
This is heaven.
And you turn around and go face the other way.
Well, I thought he wanted to get out.
He doesn't want to get out. He wants to see what's down there.
Oh,
The Via train was back there.
oh jeez.
Well, the Robert Q must be dropping people off.
We're not picking people up.
Where's the Via?
It's up down there.
Right there.
Oh my god.
You think the Via's leaving or just standing there?
It's probably just waiting for you guys to go. This is the best day of my life.
Best day. Train I've ever seen in my life.
finding all of the other trains I've seen.